think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? I think I will do 2 things when I am 70 years old. At that time, I like to do many things. I want to be a scientist, but when I will be 70, I will be refreed my job. Then I can find my hobby. I think I will read many books and have my own garden when I am 70 years old. First, I will read many kinds of books like science and about technology. I am 70 years old. At the moment, I like to read novels, so when I am 70 years old, I think I also like to read books. And when I am 70 years old, I will have more knowledge. I think I will read more kinds of books in 58 years later, and books make me laugh, and I can also read books in 58 years later. Maybe it can be an e-book, so I also can read books when I am 70 years old. Second, I will have beautiful garden. In the future, I will plant and grow beautiful plants in my garden. I want to make a great garden, so when I am 70 years old, I will make my own garden and fill that to plants. There is expensive flowers and good smell flowers too. I always think I have that garden. In conclusion, what do you think you will be doing when you are 70 years old? I will do 2 things. First, I read many kinds of books. Second, I will have beautiful flower gardens. So I will read many kinds of books and have. Thank you for listening my presentation.